So the first thing you want to do is lay your mat. I like to try to find a space that's in the sun so that I can also sun gaze while doing my meditation. My music is pretty low, but I have my music on. You want to find some relaxing, peaceful meditation music. And then step one, you want to go ahead, set the mood, and relax your body. So I find that when I do the actual meditation position that I'm the most relaxed. So close my eyes. Step two, you want to start your breathing. So breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then release, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you want to get your body and your mind acclimated with that breathing, and you want to just focus on your body for now. No external thoughts, nothing else. Just focus on your mood, the music, relaxing your body, and just be in this peaceful present moment. Then you want to go ahead and incorporate step 3, which is your visualization. Imagine yourself in a happy place, whether it be at the beach, whether it be wherever it makes you happiest to be. Imagine yourself there, even if it's just being right here in this still, peaceful moment. Don't forget to close your eyes and to breathe while visualizing. Connect with the music. Connect with, I'm on a sandy beach right now. I'm running across a sandy beach. My frequency is high. I feel unstoppable. And then you want to incorporate that last step. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am capable. I am relentless. I have what it takes to resolve any issues that may arise. I put anything out of my control in God's hands. I know my power. I know my ability. I know I am worthy. I release control of things that are out of my control. And you want to repeat that as many times as you need to, as much time as you can. Stay in that peaceful moment and just meditate. I find that about 5 minutes is perfect timing, honestly. Even if you don't have a lot of time like me, I'm usually busy. So I usually am not able to take 5 minutes even, sometimes just 2 or 3 minutes. So just don't forget those steps. Step 1, set the mood, relax your body. You see how my shoulders are relaxed? I'm not sitting straight up. I'm relaxed. I'm allowing my body to just be. You set the mood. I have my music playing that puts me in a more peaceful state of mind. If silence is more peaceful for you, you can definitely use silence. It's whatever makes you feel the most at peace. Step 2, you want to go ahead and get that breathing. Remember, it's 4, 4, 6. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, release for 6. Step 3, you want to visualize that happy place. Be somewhere that makes you happiest. Even if it's a memory where you were happy, go back to that moment. And finally, step 4, speak nicely to yourself. Say those affirmations and say them intentionally. Don't just find affirmations. You can say the things that come to your head, but really try to be intentional about your mental struggles and say things that are actually going to change your state of mind. I am worthy. I am powerful. I am capable. I am intelligent. I have what it takes to get through any trials or tribulations sent my way. I release control to God. I allow myself to just be. Anxiety does not help me thrive in a positive way. I'm going to show you something additional I like to do for my own wellness, and it's called grounding, because I find that connecting with nature really helps me tremendously get myself into a more peaceful state of mind. So I'm going to go through that with you. And again, you can do either or, you can do both. It could be part of your morning routine. But I find that these things help me to really ground myself before going out into the external world and being able to really, really set that state of mind to a peaceful state of mind. And with the grounding, I find that headphones really help so that I can really connect with the music and I don't have to carry anything around. I can really just release my body and be in a relaxed state. And you're just gonna have no shoes or socks on, and you're really gonna plant your feet into the grass, and you're really gonna connect with nature. You're gonna do the same exact things. Step 1, you're going to relax your body, set the mood. Like I said, usually I would have headphones, but I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for you. And you will put your favorite affirmations or your favorite relaxing music into the headphones. Or you can, like I said, carry your phone around if that's what works best for you. Don't go out and buy anything. But for the most part, you want to be in a relaxed state of mind. Even if it's just the birds chirping and the silence that works for you, then that is fine. You're going to do the same exact thing for step 2. You're going to walk and you're going to breathe. I usually walk throughout my entire yard. Comfortable or safe, you can go ahead and close your eyes. As long as you're in a safe location where you don't have to worry about anything, go ahead and close your eyes. That adds to the experience. It really makes you feel peaceful and relaxed. And it's also going to add to your visualization, because you're going to be having your feet planted in the grass and you're going to be connecting with nature, which is really going to raise that frequency for you and try to rid yourself of that anxiety. So again, step 3, you're doing your visualization. You're going to imagine yourself somewhere that makes you happy, a memory, a place, something that makes you raise your frequency, okay? And then finally, step 4, you're going to say your affirmations. And if you can, say them aloud. I am powerful. I am peaceful. I am worthy. I am capable. I am loved. I do love. I am not worried because I release things that are out of my control. I know that I will win. I have the ability to do anything I put my mind to. And then my neighbor's dog keeps barking, so that's going to be the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.